Life with kids is busy, lovely, and hectic. Parents, stay ahead of the curve now that school is back in session. Let's go to Tony and Adriana in our Price Chopper kitchen with a lesson plan for delicious recipes you can cook for your family.
We are in the midst of back to school season, which means changing schedules and new activities.
Yeah, so we want to save you some time in our Price Chopper kitchen by using what's called the Cook Once, Eat Twice method.
I like this. Dietitian Bethany Frazier is with us now to share details.
Yeah,
Good
welcome
morning.
back.
Thank you. Happy to be back.
Okay, so I, for one, am excited about this. My little boy is about to go back to school, and we know it can be busy, sometimes a stressful season.
Yes.
So what's something we can do in the kitchen to make life a little easier?
What I hear all the time, we're all shifting those schedules and we think, oh, it'll be a great idea. I'm going to pin all these recipes. I'm going to buy all these groceries. And then a weekend, you're worn out. You're like, I can't do this. I can't keep up. So one of the easy ways to do that is to keep it really simple and do something as simple like cook once, eat twice. So what we made is a beef roast. That we put it barbecue sauce, a little bit of lime juice, which makes it nice and tender, and then some broth. And we cooked it, slow cooked it. And then you can use it for multiple different meals. So we made it into a burrito bowl that you can add all your favorite toppings. My family's really terrible at leftovers.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Same
So this
here.
helps to keep that from happening. You don't get bored with them. You can make them in tostadas or just regular tacos. And then we're gonna make some sweet potato nachos, which are also a family favorite.
Awesome.
great.
Okay, so what are the benefits of the Cook Once, Eat Twice method?
Well, obviously things don't go to waste because you can do it. You don't get bored with it. It keeps everything really fresh. And it helps make it not so stressful because it's really stressful to plan those 7 meals every single night. But if you know, okay, I'm going to use this protein in these couple of different meals, it makes it way more simple.
You're repurposing the protein. I love that.
You can repurpose the sides too.
Oh, okay, so what's an example of that?
So you could use like potatoes would be an easy one that you could repurpose, have it as a side and then maybe use it as a potato salad the next day, or rice is easy to repurpose into different things too.
All right, okay, well I have a couple of ideas that I'm going to cook up this school year for sure. So you said that we were going to make nachos?
Sweet potato nachos.
Yes. Okay, so what are the steps?
So I already roasted these sweet potatoes that are just sliced really thin. I'll let you layer a couple more on there just like you would regular nachos.
Okay.
Sweet potato chips.
I was ready for the protein.
I know. That'll come next.
Okay.
I just want to, can I try one?
Sure,
I just want to see what this tastes like as a nacho.
Yeah. So I tossed it in a little bit of spices, so it has cumin and a little bit of onion powder.
All right. You know,
I
like my nachos, so I'm going to...
Very loaded, right?
Exactly.
She's going heavy.
Yes, I am. All right.
And then you can add a little bit of the meat. This is just our barbecue beef that we made.
Okay.
Just sprinkle it on.
Loading on up,
Yes,
Tony.
another one. Time to get it.
And then you get to add all your favorite toppings.
Oh,
so we have
great.
cheese, we have black beans,
Guacamole.
guacamole.
All right, Adrienne, I'll let you do the honors of finishing it off.
All the favorite toppings. Yes. And you can add salsa. You can put it back in the oven for a little bit just to warm everything up and kind of melt the cheese. And it's really delicious and a great way to repurpose any of your meals.
Yeah, some corn.
Yeah. So that's a side you could repurpose too. So you have corn one night and then you add it as a topping. You know, corn on the cob. You could add as a topping.
Yeah, because you what is the word I'm looking for when you get the corn off the corn cob? Corn on the cob.
Just slice it off.
Yeah. I think of chuck.
Yeah, shuck is where you take that. Yep, shuck the corn.
Ooh, okay.
All right, Adriana, this is looking pretty.
Great. I know, and it's really beautiful. We eat with our eyes too.
Should I add some jalapenos?
Oh, absolutely.
You know you need the spice when it comes to loaded nachos.
Okay, add the spice.
You could top it with some sour cream if you wanted to at the end after you've cooked it.
Sour cream is okay?
Sure, a little sour cream would be great.
Okay, a little bit. Okay. I'll leave the avocado, the guacamole off for you, Tony.
Oh, thank you so much.
If it was for me,
so much.
I would put it on. But I'm not
Well, maybe you put it on one side. There we go.
Just
I imagine this as a date night dish too.
I'm just gonna put it on the side to kind of dip it. I don't know what I did there.
That's the garnish. That's the garnish. There we go. All right.
Then that's it.
That's it.
Wow.
Voila.
I love this recipe.
I know. Very easy. You can have your kids load their own if you want to, so that everyone can customize. If you have friends over, they can load their own, and then everyone gets to have their avocado or their not avocado.
And nothing is wasted. That's what I love. Nothing is wasted. I love that. Well, Bethany, thank you so much for stopping by and sharing this cook once, eat twice method. I love it.
All right, for this recipe, once again, visit mypricechopper.com. Also check out the savings while there as well.
And speaking of savings, there are some deals this week. This week's deals include Casey Pride Top Sirloin Fillets, Clementine's Best Choice Butter, and more. Prices are valid through August 29th.